Hi viewers, welcome back. Today I again come up with another problem of a mobile screen. You can see this one is a mobile screen, and this machine have the four emergency switches. So some of them are not working, so I'm going to change that emergency switch, and also I will show its connections, and also I test the emergency switch. Uh, and already I have made one video on the emergency switch. You can click on the I button, and you can see that video about the connections and the working of the emergency switch. So this is emergency switch. I am going to change this one. You can see this is not pushing. This is not push, but this one we can push it. Okay, but this is not working. This is not push, but this one is okay, good one. So I'm going to change this switch. You can see actually this uh, I push this button. You can see it's not pushing because there's a there's a mud. So now I'm going to change this emergency switch. So I am going to hold here my videos, and I will change the this switch. Then after I show you all four emergency switches around the machine. Okay, so now I have changed this switch. This is switch number one. Now I'm going to the switch number two. Okay, and then after all the showing you all the switches, then I will explain their connections. Okay, so this one is a emergency number two. Okay, so now I'm going to question number three. This number three is also I am going to change, and now is a last one. This one is a number four. Now I show you the connection of the. So viewers, these are the symbolic connection of the four emergency switch which I used on the mobile screen. So how these four emergency switch are connected to each other to to energize this shut off solenoid. So here you can see this. I show there's a one battery is a negative voltage is negative pole, and this one is my positive battery pole, and this is connected to this key start switch. Okay, this as soon as we start key switch is on, then voltage from the battery are reached to this 5 pin relay. Here is my 5 pin relay. Okay, this is 86 pin number 86, this is pin number 85, this is pin number 30, and this pin number 87, and this is the 87A. This is not used. So this is my emergency switch number 1, emergency switch number 2, emergency switch number 3, and emergency switch number 4, and at the last this one is a fuel shut off solenoid. As soon as this key switch is on, the voltage from the positive voltages of these batteries reach at pin number 86 and at pin number 30. Pin number 86 is used to energize this relay. As soon as this relay is energized, the pin number 30 and 87 is closed, and voltages from here to reach pin number 87, and these voltages reach at the pin number 1, wire number 1 of the emergency switch number 1, and these connections are normally closed. So voltages from here to reach pin number 2 of this emergency switch, and this number 2 wire is connected to the pin number 1 of the emergency switch 2, and this is also closed, and here's voltage is passing to here, and this is connected to the pin number 1 of emergency switch number 3, and this is also normally closed. So these voltages are reached to the switch number 4 at the pin number 1, and this pin number 2 is 1 and 2 are normally closed, and this pin number 2, this wire number 2 is connected to at the fuel shut-off solenoids. So this fuel shut-off is already connected to ground, and 8 shut-off solenoid become energized, and fuel passing to the engine through this fuel shut-off solenoids. So these switches are connected to each other in series. Any one of these 4 switches is open when we apply the emergency switch 1, this one, for any one of 4 of them we apply, the voltage are disconnected. If I open this one, this voltage is connected from here, so this shut off solenoid is become de-energized, and fuel is not passing to engine become stop. So this one is the, I show you symbolically. So I show you really how I connected the wires of these 4 emergency switches. So this is my switch, key switch relay. Okay, when I key switch on, this is my ground, this is my pin number 85, it connected to the ground here, you can see ground, and this one is a pin number, this pin is 86. Okay, this is getting power from here, and the machine become on, and relay, this become relay energized, and after that this getting power, this is a pin number 30. Okay, and this number is a pin number 87. This wire here through this fuse goes to the emergency switch. Here, this is emergency switch wire coming here out from this relay, and this is my emergency switch cable number 1, this is cable number 2, and this is a cable of emergency number 3, and this cable is of the emergency switch number 4. Each cable have the 2 wires. Okay, one wire goes to the emergency switch, and other wire come out from the emergency switch and go to the next one. Then again other one is going to the emergency switch, and other one is coming and go to the third cable. Similarly, one wire come from the emergency switch and go to the pin number, the cable number 4, and second wire come out from the emergency switch number 4, and this last one, it goes to the fuel shut-off solenoid. So this cable is going to fuel shut-off solenoid. I show you my fuel shut-off solenoid, and this one is my fuel shut-off solenoid. When I switch on, so you will hear the sound of the solenoid. So testing the emergency switch. So check. My engine is starting. So when I push my switch, my engine is starting. Okay, you heard the sound. Shut down, again on. Now I check my other emergency switch. So I will push it, and my engine will try to stop. Engine stop. I open it, engine again. You can hear the sound. So now I check test. Now I will test my third emergency switch. Now I will push it. You will hear the sound. Engine will going to stop. Okay. I push, engine stop. Again on, engine again start. Okay. This switch is also a good one. I have installed all the 4 emergency switch. Now I check this 4th one, last one. Okay, when I push the emergency, my engine is a stop. Okay, stop. So okay. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.